So like when I was in the school, I really liked how fun it was. So the differences between our school and their school is that our school, we have uniform and they don't, and to be respectful, they take their shoes off to go into the rooms and that.
In Iceland, when they were learning outdoors, it might have been cold, but it was still a nice, suitable location for them to learn and for them to gather information and be together.
I went to like a relaxing room. Like there's like mats down with like a pillow. It was like really dark and it was quite fun there as well. Also, our school, we do more writing than speaking, writing and reading.
When we went to Gullfoss, the waterfall, it was really awesome. It was full of ice, so it looked even cooler.
We taught them the longest town name, and they were just constantly tripping over. They didn't get the sound.
We played board games. They made games for us. We played games with each other, and then I made a really good friend.
They were just very proud to be from where they are. Not just proud in their culture, but learning other cultures. They found pride in that.
School dinners, when we went there, they had a salad bar and it was fish and rice. I feel it was more together as they ate food together. And since we've arrived back from Iceland, we've spoken to governors and the canteen about adding a salad bar maybe to the dinner hall, and that's what they've done. They've approved of it, and now we have salad bar. We also have built an outdoor classrooms so we can learn outdoors in any condition.
Learning what they've learned and then taking it back here. Now we want to find out more and more about where we come from, and the more we learn, the more we're just like, what a wonderful place we're from.
Thanks for the trip, Taif.
Thank you for letting us experience this trip.
Thank you very much for funding this trip.
Diolch yn fawr.
Talk.